So now that we've kind of learned about these variables and data, we can determine the level of measurement for each variable. We have nominal, which means it is qualitative and cannot be ordered. So an example would be hair color. You can't order hair color. You can't put gender in order. So there's no meaningful order. Ordinal, this is qualitative as well, and can be ordered or arranged. So an example for that might be the level of spiciness for your wings. So that's mild, medium, hot, or your satisfaction. Dissatisfied, somewhat satisfied, satisfied. So these two, again, are for your qualitative variables. Then these two levels of measurement are for your quantitative variables. So interval, let's define that. Interval is quantitative, and you can perform addition and subtraction. A value of 0 does not mean an absence of the quantity. Some examples. The time on the clock. So noon is really like your 0 o'clock or midnight. Sorry, midnight in military time is your time 0. Well, that doesn't mean 0 doesn't exist, right? What about temperature? All of us being, or maybe being in the Midwest, our temperature, we know that it can be 0 degrees and the temperature still exists, right? It's cold, but the temperature of 0 still exists. And you can add and subtract temperature. Ratio, again, this is quantitative. And you can perform addition, subtraction, and multiplication, division, and a value of 0 means absence of the quantity. So some examples would be weight. We always weigh something, even when we're first born or when we're an embryo. It's still very tiny, but we still weigh something, and we still have a height. Okay, let's work on some examples. Gender. First, is it quantitative or qualitative? That would be qualitative. And is that nominal or ordinal? It would be nominal because we cannot put it in any kind of meaningful order. Temperature. That would be a quantitative variable, and it would be interval because a value of 0 does not mean an absence. the number of days during the week that a college student studied. That again would be quantitative because it's a number, and you can add and subtract it and multiply and divide. So I studied twice as much as my friend. So that would be ratio. And the letter grade you earned in your statistics class, well, that would be a characteristic. And so that would be either nominal or ordinal. Would you be able to order it? Yes, you can order your grade A, B, C, D, or F. So that would be ordinal. That is the end of 1.1.